What if I told you that Netflix, the streaming giant we all love today, was once laughed at by the CEO of Blockbuster? Yes, the same Blockbuster that dominated the movie rental industry is now a distant memory. While Netflix has grown into a $288 billion empire. But here's the kicker. Netflix founder once offered to sell their struggling company to the Blockbuster for just $50 million. And they were laughed out of the room. How did Netflix go from humiliated to completely wiping out Blockbuster? And what was the game-changing idea that turned their failure into massive success? Stay with us till the end to find out the fascinating secrets behind the Netflix rise and why Blockbuster could not survive the storm. The story starts in 1997. At the time, the internet was gaining popularity and people were coming up with the ideas to sell everything from pet food to baseball bats online. But Reed Hastings, co-founder of Netflix, wanted something more. He wanted to build a business that customers would use over and over again without much effort. The Reed's idea struck him when he had to pay the $40 fine to Blockbuster for returning the rented VHS tape late. That's when he realized that the video rental industry needed a massive change. Instead of physical stores like Blockbuster, Reed envisioned renting movies online. However, the rented VHS tapes was expensive and risky due to their weight and fragility. A few weeks later, Reed and his partner Marc Randolph discovered the DVD technology through the Tech magazine. Unlike VHS tapes, and the DVD were lighter and cheaper and could be mailed at a low cost. That's when the idea of Netflix as a DVD by mail-it services was born. They launched a business website and began renting out the DVDs. To make things easy for the customers, they include prepaid returned envelopes. The business concept was simple but revolutionary. But starting off Netflix was not easy. Reed and Marc had a limited funds and they set up a low-budget office with the second-hand furniture and offered employees at low salaries with the promise of shares if the business got succeeded. When they launched the website at 9 a.m., the first order was placed by the Marc himself, and sooner or later the bell rang, and that time was a real customer. On the first day, they received 138 orders, exceeding their expectations. However, their website crashed due to the heavy load, and sales totaled only $11,000, far less than they had hoped. Most people prefer buying DVDs instead of renting the DVDs. A few weeks later, Amazon called Jeff Bezos, who already had conquered the online market, wanted to enter the DVD space as well. But Reed and Marc were committed to DVDs rental, not sales. Still, Netflix struggled to promote their rental services, and one of their marketing campaigns failed miserably, costing them more than they gained. That's when they approached to Blockbuster, hoping to sell the Netflix for $50 million. But the Blockbuster CEO laughed at them and turned down the offer. Little did he know that the CM would come back to haunt him. As the time passed, Blockbuster tried to launch its own DVD by mail service, but it was too late. Netflix had already shifted to focus on streaming, a game-changing idea where users could watch movies directly online without the hassle of DVDs. Blockbuster, stubborn and slow to adopt, kept charging customers late fees and failed to embrace the new technology. Meanwhile, Netflix was rapidly growing and capturing the market. People wanted to convince, and Netflix gave it to them. Today, the Netflix is worth over the $288 billion with the thousands of employees worldwide. Its annual sales around about $19 billion, a figure that dwarfs what Blockbuster could ever have imagined. This story shows how important it is to embrace change and innovation. Those who refuse to adopt, like Blockbuster, will eventually fade away, while the companies like Netflix that evolve with their time will thrive. This is our today's video. If you really enjoyed this video, make sure to like and share and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.